Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Resources plugin from a light version to a pro version. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of the Resources plugin. The license manager is automatically received on the email address that was used for the ordering procedure. However, if you have accidentally deleted this email, then please don't worry. You have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and then you have to scroll down to the license manager and then request the license manager link again. You have to enter your email address here and then click on Get Access. Please don't forget to check the terms and conditions, otherwise you will not get the license manager link. Alright, if you have still some problems here, then you can contact our support team at support@redmineup.com and our support engineers will send you your license manager link. Or you could create a support ticket here, it is easier for you. Okay, in our situation we have already downloaded the very latest Resources plugin version, which in our case is Resources 107 Pro. Okay, so the first step that you have to do is to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then go into the plugins folder. Here you have to find the Resources plugin. This is the light version that is already installed on your Redmine, so please delete it. Okay, so let's go back into our downloads folder and extract the Pro version. So you have to now go into the inner folder, which is Redmine Resources, and copy it. Then go back to the plugins folder of your Redmine and paste it there. Alright, so please now open your command line and then navigate to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, as we already said. And the first command here that you have to execute is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your plugin. The next command that you have to execute is the migration command. The important here is that into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you are trying to upgrade. In our case it is Redmine Resources. Please make a note that these warnings are just for developers. They are not going to harm the work of the plugin. It is going to work correctly. Okay, we see that our migration has been done, and the very last thing that you have to do now is to just restart our Redmine. It is done with the command touch temporary/startpoint.txt. Okay, so let's go back into our Redmine and refresh our page. It will take a couple of seconds because restarting Redmine takes some time. Okay, we see that the Resources plugin is now a Pro version. We have successfully upgraded from a light to a Pro version of the Resources plugin. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching it, and see you into the next videos. Bye bye for now.